My name is Samina. I have a family. There are 5 people in my family. I have a mother, a father, a little brother named Yusuf and a little sister named Fatima. We live in a big, yellow house. My mom's name is Zainab. She is a teacher. She teaches kids at school. My father's name is Ibrahim. He works in an office. He goes to work in his car. I love playing with my little brother and sister. Yusuf is 4 years old and Fatima is 2 years old. Yusuf likes to play with his toys and laugh a lot. We have a cat too. Its name is Sarah. Sarah is a small, friendly cat.